It's a three-wheeler. Welcome back, guys, to 509. So recently I just bought a FPV drone. So mainly I just want to use it for following the cars, maybe get some cool shots on jumps. I flew this thing probably like 2-3 times. So I'm gonna just practice today. I'm gonna have my brother drive the cars while I'll follow him with this thing. I flew a little bit already. I crashed it a few times, but it's all bad practice. Okay, so the drone I'm gonna be using, this is the Iflight Nazgul5 V2. Here's the remote, the Radio Master TX16, and then just the E-Chain. I think it's the 800D. So here's just a little setup I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna go put on the glasses, and then we're gonna follow probably this guy first. Battery actually died. I didn't have any power. Yeah, that thing fell off and broke, so now I have to go home and put another one. But that's it for the drone shots. I don't have any more batteries. I gotta buy more batteries for the drone, but we'll still probably take out, I'm gonna take out the crane, kind of bash around in the snow because it's pretty fun. Still gotta practice getting the right speed and taking off with the RC, because it is kind of hard sometimes. My brothers are way too far ahead, or I'm in front of him, so I kind of have to work on that and work on my flying skills. But yeah, let's take the crane out and the Xmaxx together. Whew. That jump, the wheel started wobbling. I don't know, the wheel was like super wobbly. Yeah, after that jump over here. Look at that wheel. Wow, you can see the driver. Oh, I don't think I broke anything. Yeah, this jump is pretty cool. It has like a little landing. Yeah, he's still kind of learning how to do the air control. Hey, tap the brakes a little bit next time. Oh, dude. Okay, so it was not the wheel nut that was loose. I think when last video we made with the sparking tires with the steel wool, it like cracked the rims. It's a 3-wheeler. Alright, time to go pull this guy away. I want to try to do a front flip. Almost. Oh, well, trying to do a front flip. Didn't really work out. Xmaxx broke, finally. But it's only this, the arms are still good. This thing's been pretty tough for a while. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.